Hello and welcome back to the another series of pipe cleaner flowers. Today I'm making this beautiful flower branch which is super easy, cute and very much simple, used in multiple ways. So let's get started. So first I have just created this beautiful little flower which is of 6 petals. So if you want a detailed video how I have done this flower, you can watch out and check my other videos in my profile. So you will find the detailed video how to do this flower. It is super easy and simple. So after doing this, I have just added a simple white bead in the center. Now this flower is not only used here, you can use it as a flower clip or as a simple flower to decorate your bouquet or just to gift anybody. Now for the stem I've just taken a simple remaining pipe cleaner, just attached with the floral tape. Here I'm making use of 5 flowers, that is the beautiful combination of white and purple. So I've just taken a bamboo stripper, you can take any sort of stick, and just with the help of the green floral tape just wrap it around, arrange it the way you need it. It may be the white purple randomly, but you can make it very much far near. It depends on your choice how you need it. I have arranged it. No need of using any glue because the green cello tape or the floral tape itself has a glue. Just stretch it and then you wrap it and it holds it very perfectly. So here is a simple super easy DIY flower branch which is very easy to make. You can use it in the bouquets or just use it as a part of the bouquet. Just make it a bouquet and give it, or just put it in the vase and decorate. I hope this video was very useful for you. See you in the next video. Follow for more such DIY.